and welcome to another how-to video. This time I'm bringing something that's very close to me, a keyboard issue that I had with the physical keys getting damaged, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace it today. So let's dive right in. So as you can see, I in fact had an issue with some of my arrow keys that were broken. So I had to replace them as they were falling apart. So first I used a small flathead screwdriver and gently removed the actual black arrow key. And then underneath that there is a lever. It is a small accordion that sits between the actual sensitive keyboard and the black touch point. So I'm just showing you how it actually sits there. And once you do that, you slightly lift the smaller end with the two protruding extensions there, and you lift it up. I'm trying to set that back up again. And as I show you, it's lifted up from the short side or the smaller side with the screwdriver, and the longer end is where you correctly put and slide that little key in. It does take in a couple of efforts to do that, and once you hear that click and tap it in and you press it properly back in and you hear another click and it's perfectly fixated. So that's one that I fixed. So this applies to all keys possible, and I'm just showing you a couple of others that I replaced within the same arrow keys. So I'm going to replace the top one now, remove the broken key, and then you will see those there you go. So I removed the old keys, the levers from the keyboard. It's completely open now. And then now I'm going to put the new black and white. So I'll put the white ones first. So as you can see there you go. Make sure it's sitting on the right side. You will have an area where it'll slide right in and it'll click. Once that's clicked in, that's the most important piece. And then you take your flathead screwdriver and do the same process. So you always put the flathead screwdriver on the short side and you properly lift it up. Slide your key from the other side. Yep, make sure you slide it correctly. This time I did it much better than the first time. And then you snap it and you'll hear a click. That means it's fixed properly. Thumbs up. Let's try the last one now. Again, key screwdriver goes onto the short end, lift it up, slide the other side very smoothly and remove the screwdriver and hear a click. There you go. All done. Hopefully this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this with people who actually need it, and keep sharing and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next video.